Hi, I'm Abbie Noakes and I do Level 3 Business at East Sussex College in Eastbourne. I really enjoy the course because it gives me a lot of development into my future career and sort of further education for what I want to do. So I've only got the one tutor this year, it's Amy, and she's honestly the best teacher I've ever had. She always puts herself out for you if you ever needed help, and sort of she's always available by email, so if I was ever doing something out of college, of my college work, I could always contact her and she'd help me. She's very good in her explanation, she's very knowledgeable, knows the course inside out. So I had an exam where I was very panicky about it, and I decided to retake it because when I'd done the actual exam I just went into a complete panic. Felt like I didn't know it, even though I did. And then we really worked on that exam technique, and then I retook it and got a merit in it instead of the pass that I got before. So she really helped me with that and worked with me on the parts that I didn't feel confident on and helped me to do that. I've just applied to uni. I've been given some conditional offers which are for my target grade, so I'm hoping to be going to Sussex in Sussex University of Falmouth in September and to study finance and business, and then I want to look to do my masters and get a graduate job after I finish at university. College has really helped me to develop as a person. I've learned a lot of independent studying ways to learn, and also it's helped me to develop as a person, because with business you really do need to sort of speak out, and when you're problem solving you need to get your point across and sort of help work with everyone's ideas to develop an idea. It depends what sort of project you're working on. So I really would recommend East Sussex College in Eastbourne. It's really helped me to develop myself as a person, and the course I really do enjoy, and the teaching is amazing here and the support that you can get, but it also does allow you that freedom of independent learning too.